So the first thing you see is a white card, and it says, if you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycap in the box. Okay, so that means that by default, the keycaps on the keyboard is in Mac mode, which is good because I use a Mac. So I'm building a PC for gaming, and I also have a MacBook for work. So I intend to use this keyboard interchangeably. So I think I'm going to keep it a Mac for now. But maybe for gaming I will have to switch the keycaps. But I don't think that's a big deal. But you know, maybe I'll just keep it in Mac mode. Not sure I'll be doing a lot of gaming without an Xbox controller anyway. This is what the keyboard looks like. Some extra keycaps here. Stick the keycaps first. Let's get some keycaps. I assume these are Mac based. Sorry, Windows based. I also have a. Oh, that's cool. A key extractor tool. That's cool. So you get a tool to extract keys. That's cool. I kind of wanted to buy one of these, but now I have one. This is a charging cable, I believe. It's like a USB to USB-C cable. Let me take this right here. And the keyboard itself. It's packaged pretty well. And there's a book on the bottom. K8 Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. So this is the instruction manual. Let me show you what's in the, this is in the box. You have one keyboard, one Type-C cable, one manual, one quick start guide, and extra keycaps then. So I'm assuming this is a quick start guide and manual combined. Seems to be combined. Not sure. I only see one instruction manual, so there's no quick start guide. Oh, the quick start guide is most likely this card. Oh, there's a protector on top. I was trying to type and then I realized there's a plastic keyboard protector on top, which is kind of nice because you can actually use that protector when you're not, when you're not obviously using the keyboard. It's a little plastic piece. It's kind of nice. I guess you could use this to protect it to keep dust off or your liquids off. It's just a piece of plastic. It's soft plastic. Oh, nice. It is very quiet. So these keycaps are not clicky types. They don't click. But they do produce a sound. See, depending on how hard you type, the sound is very quiet. So the sound is produced at the end of the click. When you press all the way down, you hear the sound. It's not really a click. It's more like a I don't know how to explain it, but it's more of a sound you get when you hit the bottom of the key. But if you type lightly, it could be very quiet. See, there's no sound at all if you don't. There's barely any sound at all if you don't really click hard. Okay, that's really cool. So as you can see, it's Option key here, Command. It's definitely a Mac layout. And I like how I have the reason why I got this keyboard is actually main reason is because I like this layout. I have the arrow keys over here separated out. Keys are important too. Because I use Vim, I use VI for coding. So that escape key is really important. Cool, alright. Oh, let me show you the back of the keyboard. K8 Q1. Nice. Yeah, I think I'm satisfied with the build quality. It's pretty nice. It's pretty heavy actually. It's heavier than I thought it would be. The feet have rubber standoffs. Nice. There's some rubber stand on the bottoms. So that's it. On the side, okay. Okay, so this is where the USB-C goes in. Looks like there's a headphone jack, which is kind of cool. Plug a pair of headphones in there. What does that say? I think it's an on-off button, like a pairing button. I guess it says, oh, Mac OS or Windows. So the middle button, you can flip to Windows or Mac OS mode. So right now, by default, it's on Mac OS. And oh, so the button on the right it says off. So right now it's on cable. On the right, and then the middle switch is off, and then on the left it says BT, which means Bluetooth. So obviously you could connect it into the cable that I just showed you, the USB cable. So I guess it doubles as a charging cable, and it connects to the computer itself. And obviously most people are going to use this in Bluetooth mode. But I think I need to charge it before I use it, so I'm gonna grab that cable and charge it. And oh, I'm sorry, this is not headphone jack. It is just it's just a screw hole. Yeah, it's part of the build. It's a screw hole. Yeah, I see it both sides. Not a headphone jack. That's it. There's nothing else on the keyboard. It has a nice kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, like metallic feel to it. I think it's aluminum. The bottom's plastic, like hard plastic, but this feels kind of cold to the touch. So it just feels like metal to me. That's why it's heavy. This shroud, this blue, dark blue color. Or it's, I don't know, it's a grayish blue color. It's definitely metallic, I think, because it feels metallic to me. And it's kind of coats to the touch, so I think it's definitely a metallic. That's what gives it a little bit of heft to it. It's really nice. I expected the whole thing to be plastic, actually. Alright, so that's the unboxing of the Keychron K8 keyboard. Thanks for watching.